grilled the leader of a state agency for hours today.
We've told you an audit shows DCFS is failing at its job. It says the department isn't meeting standards, including getting children basic medical care. Our Capitol Bureau Chief Cole Hankey is live in our Capitol newsroom, and Cole, the director, is pushing back on that.
That's right. Mark Smith claims that his department is one of the best child welfare agencies in the country, but an audit tells a different story.
He's delusional.
For the first time since a scathing audit found DCFS failed to meet standards, Director Mark Smith took questions from lawmakers. Smith is standing by his department.
We will keep moving and progressing forward. We are reviewing those findings about annual audits. We will aggressively make sure that our staff, that our supervisory staff and managers who have reporting staff are completing those audits in a timely fashion.
Smith says there are around 20,000 kids in DCFS care. In a random sample of 50 of those children, 18% were missing at least one physical examination, and 88% were missing a dental examination.
I don't need a PhD to tell me to get a kid to their doctor appointment, right? You don't need a PhD in some fancy academic study to tell you to make sure they're getting their dental exams on time.
The Auditor General also found DCFS failed to conduct home visits in 98% of cases. The home visits are required under Tanaja's law. The state passed that law in 2019 after the death of 2-year-old Tanaja Barnes in Decatur. She died from neglect after DCFS returned her to the home they took her from. Despite all of the shortcomings listed in the audit, Smith says he still has the governor's support.
When are we going to protect kids? When are we going to protect kids? When's the governor going to act and install someone else into this position that can actually move things forward?
Now, the audit also found major problems with DCFS's data entry process. On the initial search, the department had several vaccination records that did not line up with what children were supposed to have, and it wasn't until after the Auditor General alerted the department of the problems that they actually provided them with accurate records. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Cole Hankey, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Cole, what stood out to me was that they didn't do home visits in 98% of the cases they were supposed to. That's extraordinary.
That's right.
All right.
Yep.
Cole, thank you so much.
That law just 2 years into effect. Yep.
All right, thank you.